Hi, my name is Marilis, and we're from Curbside Eats.
Okay, so how did you come up with that name, Curbside Eats?
Oh, well, since the pandemic, we're noticing that there's a lot of food trucks and a lot of curbside pickup. So we thought, Curbside Eats. That's
Wow,
it.
That's very straightforward. So what dish are you well known for?
Well,
We are very well known for 3 items, which
Okay, what
is
the first item, please?
our ubi cookie muffin tops.
Oh, nice. Okay.
And we have our roasted garlic peanuts.
Oh, wonderful. And what's
And the third one is our chicken and beef empanadas.
chicken empanadas.
Nice. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So why start this? Why did you decide to do this?
We started as a sideline, and me actually I was furloughed because of COVID,
Oh, okay.
and I needed something to keep us
Yeah,
afloat.
another source of
This is
revenue.
just like a hobby that
Right.
turned into a business. The two of us. She's still working. She's still currently working, but with next year we decided to
Make it bigger.
make it bigger. Maybe later on
Food
get a
truck.
food truck.
Nice. Okay.
Yes.
So is this something you think you guys will continue even past the pandemic?
Yes,
Yes,
of course.
definitely. Yes,
Definitely.
We have made a lot of good friends, customers, comeback customers.
Right.
Weekly.
And,
Nice.
and we love to eat.
Yes.
So
As you can see.
No, I can't see. What are you talking about?
we love to eat, and people love to eat.
We
They're
love
very
to
good
cook.
Good.
And
good.
our family came from great cooks actually.
Okay.
So-
All the ingredients for the cookies is hers.
Okay.
But the empanada, the bico, and the peanuts
Uh-huh.
is from her mom.
Oh, wow.
Mhm.
She's the original.
She is,
She's
yes.
Original Curbside Eats.
Yes.
Okay.
Unfortunately, she cannot keep up with
Demands.
With the
demands,
demands.
and we don't want her out here. So
So
yeah.
how's mom doing?
She's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. She's our taster.
Yeah.
She's still demanding.
Oh,
she's
very.
not really demanding, she's still demanding, huh?
Very.
There you go.
Yes.
That's a Filipino mom
She's
for you.
see, the thing is that I'm the one who's out there all the time.
Right.
She's my silent partner. She's the one who does the baking. I'm
Oh,
like,
nice.
yes, she does all the baking. I'll do the chopping and the
Yeah.
frying.
Okay, so you're
So-
the sous chef, the assistant chef kind of thing.
Well, we're kind of
Both.
split the
Yeah.
division of labor kind
Oh,
of
that's
thing.
awesome.
Yes.
So you guys are full partners.
Yes.
basically.
Yes,
Mhm.
yes, yeah. We work pretty well together.
So how has the pandemic helped worsen or neutral your business?
Well, before the pandemic, we didn't do this. We did it
Yeah,
just
we just
for,
do it
for
for
our
ourselves.
family, for ourselves.
For our own
And-
for our own
Enjoyment.
enjoyment.
Right.
Yes.
and
uh-huh.
for our sanity.
Okay, yeah. No, that makes sense.
To,
That makes sense.
And with this pandemic, cooking and baking is a type of one of our
Stress reliever?
therapeutic.
Yeah, makes total sense.
Yes.
And it's so awesome that the pandemic. A lot of people are looking for more of the small shops, small restaurants, small cookeries. So that because they want to still taste that home taste food,
Yes.
right? Do you think that that's something that you guys offer?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
We,
Yes,
we do offer that.
We cook all kinds of stuff, but because due to a limited space and time,
Right.
we can't. But when somebody calls me, do you cook this? Like, yeah. You're willing to pick up?
Right.
I'll make it for you.
Wonderful. So tell me, how can we find you guys?
Well, you could follow us on our Facebook.
What
It's
is
Curbside Eats,
Okay.
and also currently we still have our Ubi Goodies website as well too. It's www.ubigoodies.com.
Okay.
So you could check that out.
Wonderful.
You could check
All right.
that out.
Yes.
Okay.
Later on, we're gonna have our own website for Curbside Eats.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
So-
but mostly you can follow me, Marilis
Marilis.
Link
Uh-huh.
from SoCal Pinoy Group.
Okay, wonderful. All right, thank you very much, everybody. Say bye.
Bye. Thank you.